How safe are Europe's nuclear power plants? The European Commission is due to present an authoritative answer this Thursday. It will be based on EU-wide safety checks which were begun in June, after the nuclear crisis in Japan. The European Union has 143 reactors. But on the eve of the Commission publishing its findings, the Greens in the European Parliament have been saying that not nearly enough factors may have been taken into account, nor enough detail and clarity. Wolfgang Renneberg was asked to analyze the various national regulators' first reports. He's a former chief of Germany's Nuclear Safety Authority. He says the stress tests don't contain security criteria, and they do not give criteria for what is meant by sturdiness. This means the results will be quite random. The European Commission has no independent experts of its own who would be capable of judging these stress tests. Therefore, the Commission depends on national experts. These national experts have always confirmed the security of their atomic plants up till now. Greens Group co-chair Rebecca Harms says behind the poor scrutiny lie ulterior motives.
The very weak nuclear stress tests of Europe is now delivering also alibis for nuclear installations outside of Europe, especially in Japan. This stress test, this weak stress test, shall serve as alibi to prolong lifetime of reactors in Japan.
EU Energy Commissioner Günther Oettinger said last month he wouldn't hesitate to ask for reports of better quality. Environmental watchdog Greenpeace is pretty sure he'll have to.
None of the tests carried out so far look at emergency evacuation plans. Now, that's important because there are 19 nuclear power plants that are within 30 kilometres of big towns and cities. Other areas that they ignore are the problem of plane crashes, large plane crashes into nuclear power plants, and also the threat of multiple reactor failure. Those last two, in most cases, are ignored.
An earthquake and tsunami triggered Japan's meltdown and massive radiation leaks in March. Europe has firm plans for 24 new reactors, 6 of them already under construction.